always has been the one to be able to choose what to do. And at this point, it's not too late. But I'm going to tell you right now, if he does this, it may be too.
This week, celebrity and internet drama just exploded. Johnny Somali may be getting his final warning, his last real chance to turn things around. But that's not all. Because today's story connects everything, a US basketball star facing the death penalty in Indonesia, leaked Trump footage that's raising eyebrows, and more streamers spiraling out of control. Let's dive in. Meet Jared Shaw, once a professional basketball player chasing his dream. He played for Oklahoma State and Utah State, then went international, Turkey, Japan, Mexico, and finally, Indonesia, joining the Tangerang Hawks in 2022. Everything seemed perfect, until May 2025. Police in Indonesia tracked a suspicious parcel from Thailand, stuffed with 132 cannabis gummies. When Jared arrived to collect it, undercover officers raided his apartment. Within seconds, his story flipped from champion to criminal. He said he used the gummies to treat Crohn's disease, calling it a stupid mistake. But in Indonesia, even a small amount of drugs can mean life in prison or execution. His contract was immediately terminated, and after 5 months in detention, reports say Jared has fallen into a dark mental state. Celebrities and fans reacted with shock, but many said the same thing. If you travel abroad, you must respect the laws. Because in some countries, one careless decision can destroy everything. Now, this is where it gets strange. Leaked footage recently surfaced showing former US President Donald Trump speaking privately with Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto. At one point, Prabowo reportedly asks to talk to Trump's sons, Eric and Don Jr., who have no government role. That tiny exchange has sparked wild theories. Some people believe they were discussing Jared Shaw's case behind closed doors. Others connected to a previous Trump meeting with Philippine President Bongbong Marcos, claiming Trump once blocked the deportation of YouTuber Vitaly Starovitsky, and after that, Vitaly's case disappeared. No proof yet, but the internet is on fire with speculation. Some say Trump might be quietly trying to help another controversial American abroad. Meanwhile, Johnny Somali is facing his own make-or-break moment in South Korea. Legal experts warn his 29th October trial could be his final chance to show remorse. But Johnny refuses to take responsibility, even saying he doesn't know how to apologize. One analyst summed it up perfectly. If you created the character of Johnny Somali, you can create a better version before it's too late. But for many, that ship has sailed. Johnny still reposts his offensive videos and mocks the outrage. So the big question is, should South Korea give him another chance? Most say no, arguing it would only encourage more disrespect toward other nations. And that same chaos is spreading. Kick streamer Fiverr was recently attacked on stream in Los Angeles just for playing Drake's music. Another streamer, Action Man, was confronted by a woman after acting inappropriately. Police got involved, and while no arrests were made, the message was clear: this shock content trend is crossing serious lines. More and more, these creators are proving that clout can come with consequences. So here we are. A basketball star facing execution abroad, a streamer on the verge of losing it all, and a new wave of creators learning that real life doesn't play by internet rules. What do you think? Should Johnny Somali or Jared Shaw get another chance, or have they already gone too far? Drop your thoughts below and subscribe for updates, because this story is far from over.